Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 11 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. First of all, we have to enter the settings and now let's find sound and vibration section. Now we have to scroll down to this section right here, and as you can see we've got it divided between the ringtone and the notification sound. I'll show you how to change it using the ringtone, so let me tap on it. And here we've been transferred to the list of defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. We've got also system ringtones, the alert tones, and so on. What's more, we've got this custom option, which simply means that we can pick the ringtone from our internal storage. So if you will have any music, for example, downloaded, or the recordings, they will appear right here and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. What's more, of course, you can customize the vibrations, so you can pick no vibrations, you can pick particular effects, you can sync it with the ringtone. So that's quite cool. I'm looking for the option none, but I cannot see it, so basically it's not available right here. Alright, so basically if you want to change the ringtone, you first of all have to listen to the new one, and in order to do that we have to just tap on it. And let me volume it down. Alright, so you will just have to tap on it and listen if you like it. And if you want to set this particular one, just make sure that it is marked, and it will be marked immediately. You will tap on it and then come back, and as you can see it will be immediately applied. You can see it right here that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. So basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your OnePlus 11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.